Hello, welcome to the Craft House Magic Setter tutorials. My name's Ellie and today I'm going to show you how to do the little bobble stitch here. This is part of the Mistletoe Kisses Sock pattern and I'm just going to give you some quick instructions of how to do the bobble stitch because it does seem a little bit tricky, but once you've got the hang of it, it's really easy. So I've got a little swatch here where I'm going to knit my bobble, and this stitch here is the one I'm going to knit my bobble into. I'm going to do knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over and knit. So I've got 5 stitches out of the one stitch here. I'm then going to turn my work, so you'll be working in the round, but it works the same. You're just going to work on the inside of the sock and you're going to be doing knit 5, so you're knitting those 5 stitches that you've just created. So you've done that. I'm going to turn the work again. So you'll now be on the outside of the sock again, and you're going to be purling 5 stitches. So you're still working on those 5 stitches that you created from one stitch. There we go. Now you're going to turn the work again. One final time you're going to do knit 5. So we've worked 3 rows on those 5 stitches. We're going to go back to the front of the work again, or the outside of the sock. If you pop your yarn to the back of the work and then slip 2 stitches to your right needle, you've then got 2 stitches on the right needle and 3 stitches on the left needle from your bobble. You will then lift the stitch that is second in on the left needle and lift that over that centre stitch. You transfer that stitch to the right needle and basically do the same on this side. So you're casting off, but you're casting off over that centre stitch so that it makes the bobble more central. So I'm going to lift that one there, and then I've got one final cast off stitch so that I'm back to one stitch that I'm working that bobble on. So tug on that yarn just to make it a little bit tighter, and then I'm going to work to the end of the row. So you'll be working this in the round, but when you go past that bobble on the next row, just make sure that you have these 3 stitches are nice and tight on the row above it so that that bobble doesn't pop through the work. But there you go, you've made your first little bobble. There's quite a few bobbles in the Mistletoe Kisses Sock pattern, but now you've got the hang of it, they're quite easy to get on with. So this yarn that I'm using is All I Want for Christmas Is You colourway, and it's available as a sock set. And this yarn is called the Mistletoe Kisses colourway, which goes with the Mistletoe Kisses sock pattern. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!